gone in a blink. But what if time isn't just passing? What if it's shaping? I thought I was chasing places, but maybe they were shaping me. Somewhere between the silence of ice and the roar of the ocean, between the weight of mountains and the flicker of northern lights, between the stillness of a desert and the energy of the wildlife, I realized time isn't the enemy, it's the story. And this was mine. You think when you reach a certain age, things will start making sense. Then you find out you're just as lost as you were before. To the people, the places, the animals, the moments I captured, and the ones I never could. Thank you. 2025. Here we go. In the end, time isn't the limit, it's the canvas.